Is it? No, that one faculty of science. Opposite is there, that's wrong. Let's finish what we're doing now. How many PRs are we? No, don't worry. Don't worry. Okay, speak. Okay,
If you want to
I don't want to chant any student this thing here. I didn't come here for that, but it's just that it will be improper if I don't greet you people. Great Nigerian students. Great Nigerian students. Great River students. Great Ajuru students. Our visit this afternoon is based on a request made by the Governing Council that there is need for the government to intervene urgently on very, very critical areas in the school. Our visit here is to see for ourselves first the state of the facility and the need, if there is any, based on their request, to add to what they already have. This afternoon, I can say that from what I've seen here, the improvement recorded, very regrettable, is only those ones that have been achieved through that fund. And it's unfortunate that as a government, we've not done much for a school that is under our control. I can make bold to say this afternoon, from what I've seen, the way the school have also managed itself, we will immediately grant the request of the governing board. These requests include building of new hostels, both male and female. It also includes administrative block. It includes a new health center. There is a request for a sports complex. I think you can consider those requests all granted and here and now.
Thank you.
Let me appeal to the authority. You're doing a good job, more especially the acting VC. Politics aside, you're doing your job very well. I have to commend you. I want to make an appeal too to the students. You have the opportunity to be here today. Make use of this very rare opportunity. Don't pass through the school. If you're passing through the school alone, you end up not getting anything. Allow the school to pass through you. So when you leave with something from the school. But in all, we assure you that we'll do what we need to do to improve the state of this school. Thank you. May God bless all of you.
Thank you.